Alright guys, hit that like button, subscribe button, leave a comment. So before the ride video starts on this bike, I wanted to let you guys know that this motor stock came with this a tiny little carb and stuff. So this is an NT carb that you would see on like a 2-stroke, and then this is a 2-stroke intake, one of them billet intakes, and then this is just a pipe that I made. I went bigger diameter. And I think that's why this motor is revving out to, it revs between 8,000 and almost 9,000 RPM, and you can just hold it there. It does not care. It's never, I've had this motor for 5 years. It's been on multiple bikes. Now this is the home it's going to be on. And then the rear sprocket is a 32. So with the 32 in this transmission, when in the video when I was riding it, I hit 38, 39 miles an hour with it. So it's scooting and it's perfect for her. It's plenty fast enough. She'll probably never take it that high. She likes to do 25 to 30, so that's ideal, perfect for this. But if she really needed to get moving, you have all the extra to get going. So, and then I went ahead and swapped the sprocket on this thing. I put a 60 tooth on it, and I'm going to be taking this thing back out. We're going to go to another place to ride it. And holy crap, it did not lose any speed. It still did 40 miles an hour, but it had so much more, and I was getting higher RPMs out of it. So it seems to be a lot more happier with the bigger sprocket. So we'll have that in the next video. But yeah, I'll go ahead and start the ride video for this. That's another thing too. This motor is one pole. It's been like, I've had this motor for 5 years. This motor, anything I put this thing on, one pole starts right up.
Treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could